Yo, what's up, people? Got the boy Game in the building.
What's up, y'all?
You know what I'm saying? And he has.
Another unboxing from Watch Gang for y'all.
Let's do it.
Got on last month's one.
Show that close up. That
Take
dive
a good look at that.
Yo, that's the
Okay.
novice.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. I like that.
And this time it's from Jay Brackett.
Jay Brackett.
I like that case, man. I really do. Let's see. Oh, okay.
That is nice.
Yeah, it is.
You know what I'm
See
saying?
what Verona?
Verona. Yeah.
Yeah, Jay Brackett Verona. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, I mean, y'all know what that
Nice
means.
piece.
Y'all know what that means. It's time to put it on and see how I feel.
Let's do it.
Let me go ahead and get this bad boy off.
Yeah. I think it's 43 millimeter case size.
Oh yeah.
5 ATM water resistance. Day window with the magnifying glass. You know, so
Yeah, I'm liking this though. Whoa.
it's a Rolex Datejust homage. You know,
What that mean?
it's made just like the Datejust.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? In the image of the Datejust. Not as good as the Datejust.
Not as good.
Nah, hell nah.
Yeah, because it's a
You
roll.
know, some people don't like homage watches, but I don't necessarily have a problem with them. Ooh, that look nice.
Yeah, I don't see a problem with it.
Right, nah, that's hot.
Yeah, y'all like that.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Man.
So how you feeling about your purchase, sir?
Oh, I'm very happy with it. I like this right here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the time on it and everything, get the
Yeah.
date set up right.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
And his got the green face. Mine got the black face.
But don't worry, people won't be getting on this Twitter talking shit because he got a black face.
Right. that's how I like that. So we up out of here. You got anything else you want to add, sir?
Subscribe to Nerd Life 513, and if you're a Prince fan, Purple Underground.
That's right. Ross, wristwatch love. We out.
Peace.
Peace.